Hello and welcome to CBSE Fatafat by Ved Academy. This is the CBSE Class 10th Mathematics Complete Solution Series where we don't just solve problems, we build strong concepts and clear understanding of every topic. The chapter is real numbers and we are solving exercise 1.1. We are on question number 3 and today we'll solve the second bit. Question is to find the LCM and HCF of given integers. And in this exercise or the question, we have got 3 integers at a time. And if you look at the integers given, they are 17, 23, 29. All are the prime numbers. And as we know that for finding LCM and HCF, we have to find the prime factors. And for finding prime factors, we apply the divisibility test. But as the numbers given in this bit are the prime numbers, the prime factors are the number itself and 1. So let us write the prime factors for the given numbers. 17 is equal to 17 multiplied by 1. 23 is equal to 23 multiplied by 1. 29 is equal to 29 into 1. Now finding HCF, we have only one term which is common and that is 1. So highest common factor of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. Let us find least common multiple, that is LCM. Method of finding LCM is to multiply HCF, which is 1, by the uncommon terms, and the uncommon terms are 17, 23, 29. So 1 into 17 into 23 into 29, and the product of these numbers is 11,339. So LCM is equal to 11,339. And now we'll write the answer statement. Therefore, HCF of 17, 23, 29 is 1. LCM of 17, 23, 29 is 11,339. We'll move to the fourth bit. The terms are 8, 9 and 25. We'll find the prime factors of the given numbers. 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We'll take another number, that is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Third number, 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now we'll write the numbers in the form of the product of their prime numbers. So 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 1. 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 1. 25 is equal to 5 into 5 into 1. Now as you will see that we don't have any number as common numbers other than 1. Therefore the highest common factor is equal to 1. And least common multiple is HCF. Here it is 1 multiplied by the uncommon terms, and the uncommon terms are 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5. So we'll write 2 into 2 into 2 as 8 uncommon term, 3 into 3 9 as uncommon term, and 5 into 5 25 as uncommon term. So the least common multiple is equal to 25 into 8 can be written as 200 into 9. So LCM becomes 200 into 9 is 1800. Now we'll write the answer statement. Therefore, HCF of 8, 9 and 25 is 1, and LCM of 8, 9 and 25 is 1800.